close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Internet's gone loose, so time is through. Making love at you, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the front of my head, getting stuck to the race with you. Fall asleep and cruise now. Stress is getting just a little bit lower, mind's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken, way out in the crowd feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times two. That one's just me times two. been faking for too long now. Better take on the world with two arms now. Got me singing right in the dark. No feelings I couldn't store it. Ooh, and I swear I proved all the ways I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I'm about to fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. About to take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah, I'm not right, but I'm here about to fake it. Yeah, we can work together till we make it. About to take a life like we're running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found hope. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it through. I've been lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Found somebody in my life that can make it through. That one's just me times two.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Now I will give you small information about our product. All what you see in our fashion show is sheep leather, mouton. We don't make another leather. Only inside you see a few model for ladies. For example, mink or snake leathers we have. But 90% is mouton, sheep leather. That's our specialty, and peluria. The sheep leather is, we use the most fine, the name is peluria in Italian. It's called the silk leather. It's 0.3 millimeter of thickness of this leather. Very, very light. Something, for example, this jacket only, the weight is 250 grams. Not very heavy. This is our product. If you buy something from our company, you have guarantee for 1 year, international guarantee. Think that we are, since we have in Dubai, we have in Vietnam, we have in Morocco, in Europe too, then you benefit with the international guarantee for 1 year, gentlemen. For the prices, especially for your groups, if you go inside and you like something to buy, you have to look at the gray label outside here. We have the prices indicated here, and the gray label on the white. And we give you 60% discount on this. For example, if it's written $1,000, then you get it for 400 only, gentlemen. This is a special discount for your group. You have to catch this discount, believe me. We don't do it normally. Our discount only VAT. The VAT in Turkey is 18% plus 10, maximum plus 15%. But especially for you, 60%. 1,000 is 400. And we have on the left side on the D, we have a special corner for last discount. There you can find everything is $250 US. Any question, gentlemen? Okay, so follow me, let's go inside.
I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, so I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you closer. I want you and only you. Keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only